Hey everyone, my name is Kia. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how I make my cash envelopes. So right now I'm looking through my inventory to see what I do and don't have already made for customers, and yeah, you are going to see me pull out a couple of different cash envelopes for a couple of orders, and the rest I'm just going to make as I need. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here I'm showing you all how I fold my cash envelopes. I thought I recorded myself cutting it out in the sizes that I needed, but I can't find that footage. So this footage is just showing how I already have the pieces cut out, and since they're cut out I just fold them, and I started using this bone tool. It works really good instead of trying to use your fingers. Oh my gosh, that hurts a lot after you fold a lot of cash envelopes. So yeah, these envelope sizes are 7x3, and I don't really know how to explain it without actually showing you. I hate that I can't find that footage, but I'm gonna record it again for you guys. So I'm so sorry about that. Just please watch this part at least, where I fold the cash envelopes, and you'll see how I laminate them and stuff like that in a second. I'm gonna work on the first order that I received. It was 16 cash envelopes, and this is the designs that she picked out. They're so cute. So what I'm about to do now is laminate them. This is the laminating paper that I'm using at the moment by Scotch, and then this is the laminator that I have. It's a Cronova laminating machine. If I can find the link for these products that I'm using, I will link them down below. This laminating sheet is messed up, so instead of throwing away the whole sheet, I'm just gonna take this one out and cut it right here, so that way I could still use most of my sheet, but I'm not gonna send a customer or something with this on it.
Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me. Now you are someone I rely on.
So now we're at the part where we have to cut out our cash envelopes. It's really simple. So basically I try to put my cash envelopes all in one direction, so I kind of cut the same every time. There is a part of the cash envelopes where you can see when it's laminated a bubble part that is kind of open. That's how you know what part of your cash envelope is open and what part is closed, so you know where to cut. The cuts are super simple. I just cut the top and I'll cut the bottom, and then I round off the sides. Rounding off the sides make it where it's not so sharp, and it makes your cash envelope look a lot better. So that's what I'm doing to all these envelopes individually. It does take a little while, but it is a really nice thing to cut them out, and it makes them look really good and shiny. So also, you don't have to cut the bottom of your cash envelope if you're doing the y'all, my baby is in here. You don't have to cut the cash envelope at the bottom if you're going to put the hole punches in them. I did not put hole punches in these, so that's why I'm not doing that part. But you will see me continue to cut these out. Sometimes when you cut them out, they do split open. So if that happens to your cash envelopes, all you have to do is put them in the laminator and it'll close it right back up. So you will see me do that a couple of times, but it doesn't happen often. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of me cutting out these envelopes. Look how cute they are, you guys. Adorable. Also, she picked this out herself. I decided like to give her that Christmas one, this birthday one, and this back to school. But all the other ones she picked out on her own, because I let you pick individually what you want. Alright, you guys, so I'm so happy that I got these envelopes finished. Once again, it was all of these. They were a set of 16 that I sold online. Oops, sorry y'all, that's my phone. But I have a lot more to do. I have 140 more to do. I'm gonna try to do them today. I finished a lot of them yesterday as far as like cutting them all out. I think I have them all cut out. I just need to finish laminating, and then once I laminate, I need to cut those and do that. But the main bulk of it is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. I will try to make more videos showing you guys how I make my cash envelopes, how I package my envelopes, stuff like that. If you guys are interested, please let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you want to see, what you want me to possibly do. I'm going to also be doing videos with my Cricut machine. I just got the Cricut Joy last week. I haven't opened it yet, so I want to start, I want to get it open, show you guys how I set it up. Well, actually, y'all, I opened it, but I haven't, like, I opened the package, but I haven't opened the actual Joy to connect it or anything like that. So I want to show you guys that process. It's brand new to me. I am not, well, not yet. I've never been a crafter, but I'm definitely going to start getting into crafts, making things at home for my children, for myself, doing these envelopes, and hopefully sell to you guys. So just let me know what you want to see, and I'll definitely put it on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, leave a comment, leave a like, a thumbs up, basically a like. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I'll also link below my vlog channel, because I do vlogs. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye, guys.